Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button in order to stay updated about the most trending technologies. In this video we are discussing about SAP HANA. So SAP HANA is an in-memory data platform that is deployable as on-premise appliance or in the cloud. It is a revolutionary platform which is best suited for performing real-time analytics and developing and deploying real-time applications. And at the core of this real-time data platform is the SAP HANA database, which is fundamentally different from any other database engine in the market today. So, SAP HANA Basics, SAP HANA Modeling, Reporting, and SAP HANA SQL. So, first SAP HANA overview. So, SAP HANA is a combination of HANA database, data modeling, HANA administration, and data provisioning in one single suite. And in SAP HANA, HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. And according to SAP, HANA stands for HASO's new architecture, and HANA developed interest by mid-2011, and various Fortune 500 companies started considering it as an option to maintain business warehouse needs after that. So, features of SAP HANA. So, the main features of SAP HANA are: SAP HANA is a combination of software and hardware innovation to process huge amount of real-time data. Based on multi-core architecture in distributed system environment, based on row and column type of data storage in database, and used extensively in memory computing engine IMCE to process and analyze massive amount of real-time data. And it reduces cost of ownership, increases application performance, and enables new applications to run on real-time environment that were not possible before. And it is written in C++ and supports and runs on only one operating system, use Linux Enterprise Server 11 SP12. So, the need for SAP HANA. So, today most successful companies respond quickly to market changes and new opportunities. And a key to this is the effective and efficient use of data and information by analysts and managers. So, HANA overcomes the limitations mentioned, like due to increase in data volume. It is a challenge for the companies to provide access to real-time data for analysis and business use. And it involves high maintenance costs for IT companies to store and maintain larger data volumes. And due to unavailability of real-time data, analysis and processing results are delayed. So, SAP HANA vendors. So, SAP has partnered with leading IT hardware vendors like IBM, Dell, Cisco, etc., and combined it with SAP licensed services and technology to sell SAP HANA platform. And there are total 11 vendors that manufacture HANA appliances and provide on-site support for installation and configuration of HANA system. See, the top few vendors include IBM, Dell, HP, Cisco, Fujitsu, Lenovo, NEC, and Huawei. And according to statistics provided by SAP, IBM is one of the major vendor of SAP HANA hardware appliance and has a market share of 50 to 52%. But according to another market survey conducted by HANA clients, IBM has a market hold up to 70%. Then SAP HANA installation. So, HANA hardware vendors provide pre-configured appliances for hardware, operating system, and SAP software product, and vendor finalizes the installation by an on-site setup and configuration of HANA components. And this on-site visit includes a deployment of HANA system in data center, connectivity to organization network, SAP system ID adaptation, and updates from solution manager, SAP router connectivity, SSL enablement, and other system configuration. And customer clients starts with connectivity of data source system and BI clients. And HANA Studio installation is completed on local system, and HANA system is added to perform data modeling and administration. Then SAP HANA in-memory computing engine. So an in-memory database means all the data from source system is stored in a RAM memory and in a conventional database system, and all data is stored in hard disk. So SAP HANA in-memory database wastes no time in loading the data from hard disk to RAM. So it provides faster access of data to multi-core CPUs for information processing and analysis. So features of in-memory database. So the main features of SAP HANA in-memory database are: SAP HANA is hybrid in-memory database. It combines row-based, column-based, and object-oriented based technology. It uses parallel processing with multi-core CPU architecture, and a conventional database reads memory data in 5 milliseconds, where SAP HANA in-memory database reads data in 5 nanoseconds. And it means memory reads in HANA database are 1 million times faster than a conventional database hard disk memory reads. And analysts want to see current data immediately in real time and do not want to wait for data until it is loaded to SAP BW system. So SAP HANA in-memory processing allows loading of real-time data with use of various data provisioning techniques. And advantages of in-memory database are: HANA database takes advantage of in-memory processing to deliver the fastest data retrieval speeds, which is enticing to companies struggling with high-scale online transactions or timely forecasting and planning. And disk-based storage is still the enterprise standard, and price of RAM has been declining steadily. So memory-intensive architectures will eventually replace slow mechanical spinning disk and will lower the cost of data storage. So in-memory column-based storage provides data compression up to 11 times and thus reducing the storage space of huge data. So this speed advantages offered by RAM storage system are further enhanced by the use of multi-core CPUs and multiple CPUs per node and multiple nodes per server in a distributed environment. So SAP HANA Studio. So SAP HANA Studio is an Eclipse-based tool, and SAP HANA Studio is both the central development environment and the main administration tool for HANA system. And additional features are: it is a client tool which can be used to access local or remote HANA system, and it provides an environment for HANA administration, HANA information modeling, and data provisioning in HANA database. And SAP HANA Studio can be used on the platforms like Microsoft Windows 32 and 64-bit versions, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7, and SUSE Linux Enterprise Server SLE S11, x86 and 64-bit. Mac OS HANA Studio client is not available. So depending on HANA Studio installation, not all features may be available, and at the time of Studio installation, specify the features you want to install as per the role. So to work on the most recent version of HANA Studio, Software Lifecycle Manager can be used for client update. So SAP HANA Studio perspectives and features. So SAP HANA Studio provides perspectives to work on the HANA features. You can choose perspective in HANA Studio from the option HANA Studio Window, Open Perspective, and other. Then SAP HANA Studio Administration. So toolset for various administration tasks, including transportable design time repository objects, and general troubleshooting tools like tracing, the catalog browser and SQL console are also included. Then SAP HANA Studio Database Development. It provides toolset for content development, and it addresses in particular data marts and ABAP on HANA, SAP HANA scenarios which do not include SAP HANA native application development access. Then SAP HANA Studio Application Development. So SAP HANA system contains a small web server which can be used to host small applications, and it provides toolset for developing SAP HANA native applications like application code written in Java and HTML. And by default all features are installed. So SAP HANA Studio Administration View. So to perform HANA database administration and monitoring features, SAP HANA Administration Console perspective can be used. And Administrator Editor can be accessed in several ways. From System View toolbar, choose Open Administration Default button, and in System View double click on HANA System or Open Perspective. Then HANA Studio Administrator Editor. So in Administration View, the HANA Studio provides multiple tabs to check configuration and health of the HANA system. And Overview tab tells general information like operational status, start time of first and last started service, and version, build date and time, platform, hardware, manufacturer, etc. So adding a HANA system to Studio. Single or multiple systems can be added to HANA Studio for administration and information modeling purpose. And to add a new HANA system, host name, instance number and database user name and password is required. Port 3615 should be open to connect to database. Port 31015 instance to number 10, and port 30015 instance to number 00, and SSH port should also be opened. Then adding a system to HANA Studio. To add a system to HANA Studio, right click in Navigator space and click on Add System. Then enter HANA system details, hostname and instance number, and click Next. Then enter database username and password to connect to SAP HANA database, and click on Next and Finish. And once you click on Finish, HANA system will be added to the system view for administration and modeling purpose. And each HANA system has two main subnodes, catalog and content. So catalog and content. Catalog. It contains all available schemas, that is all data structures, tables and data column views procedures that can be used in content tab. Then content tab contains design time repository which holds all information of data models created with the HANA modeler, and these models are organized in packages, and the content node provides different views on the same physical data. So this was a brief discussion on SAP HANA, and we will be discussing more on SAP HANA in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button in order to stay updated about the most trending technologies. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.